Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to add a certificate on your LinkedIn profile. So let's start. As you can see, I am logging on my LinkedIn profile. Now if you scroll down, you can see different sections like this, for example, that says education. Here you can add education, just click in add education. And here you can write the school, degree, field of study, start date and end date. Also, you can add the grade, activities, and description. You can add a skill here if you want. And as you can see, there is the last section that says media. Here in media, you can add images, documents, sites, or presentations. So, for example, if you have a certificate, of course, you can take a picture to the certificate or you can download and then just click on add media and you can add the link of your certificate if you have it. Just click here, or if you want to add the document by your device, you can click in add media. So just click there and you can add the media about your certificate. So that's the way to do it. As you can see, it's very easy. Then when you finish, just click on save and that's it. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.